are highly welcome to this video. Now, if you have payment method issue, that is, you are having problem to add money into your account, and your Facebook account ads account is disabled just because of a failed payment, are you getting what I'm saying? That is debt on Facebook ads. Then this is the step you are going to follow. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how to do that right now in couple minutes. So just make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit that like button, and watch to the end. Now, what is the step you need to do? First thing first, you need to go to your Chrome browser on your system and log into your Facebook account. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Then when you get to your Facebook account, how do you get to your payment method? Okay, how do you get into your advert manager? You are going to actually navigate to this side of the screen, okay, where you have Facebook. Go down, you're going to see something like ads manager. Click on it. Once you click on it, then this is going to open your ads manager dashboard. Okay, so it's loading right now. Let's wait for it. It's loading right now. Let's wait for it. Now we have the dashboard right now. Okay, so how do we navigate to the billing section for us to pay the debt that we owe? Then you are going to click on this place, okay, this 3 dash below this home page icon. Click on that 3 dash and click on billing. Now once you click on billing, you are going to get to this side. Are you getting what? You are going to see something like outstanding balance. Okay, the amount this woman owes is 620 naira. Okay, and you can see pay now here. So you can click on payment settings. Click on payment settings. Okay, you are going to see something on top of this place. You are going to see something like payments not completed. Your ads have stopped running. Pay the amount due to continue running ads. Okay, now what do? We want to make this payment right now. You can see into this place. Okay, we have 2 payment method. Okay, so what do you actually need to do is you are going to hit this pay now button. Okay, but before you do that, if you follow this instruction and you are not able to add pay the amount due into your Facebook account, or you have problem adding payment into your Facebook account, then you can contact this number on the screen and check the comment section and the description box for my WhatsApp link. You just hit it, then you come into my WhatsApp inbox. So the next step is doing what we want to make payment into it right now. Hit the pay now button and make sure that you have money in the card that you want to choose. Okay, choose the card, the amount is there. Click on pay now. Click on pay now again, okay, to review your payment and confirm your payment. And let's look at the actual result right now. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. And boom, you can see success on the screen. 620 naira paid successfully. Now let's reload this account for us to see if this ban has been lifted. Okay, you can see on the screen right now, no payment due at this time. Let's reload it again if this red message is going to disappear. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. And boom, you can see it right now. No payment due at this time. You see current balance, no more restriction on this page right now. You can see everything. It is solved. This is the same account that we use as from the beginning. Okay, don't forget to contact us on WhatsApp whenever you have payment issues with your Facebook ads account and Google ads account, anything like that. Are you getting it now? Subscribe, hit that like button, share this video with your people, and stay healthy. Okay, so thank you very much.